Racing just is started. We have Daredevil first to show quickness at the start. Big Daddy's Dream is down on the inside and on the outside. Safety's Gold. Tigerwood comes next. Conquistador. Pink Lady. Big Bang Bong while Compel to lead this the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn we have Big Daddy's Dream saying why we followed if we can take the lead in the early part of the race by about 4 lengths. And in second is Daredevil. Racing in third is Safety's Gold. Then next online is entry number 5, Conquistador. Alongside now is Tigerwood. Pink Lady. Then running by the release Big Bang Bong while Compelled to lead. Still running at the tail of the field. And on the fourth turn we have Big Daddy's Dream by about 3 lengths. Moving up now to take second. Now is Conquistador. Down on the inside, Safety's Gold. Then next online is Daredevil. Tigerwood comes next. Pink Lady. Then next online is Big Bang Bong. While Compelled to lead, still running at the tail of the field. And as they swing for home, we have Big Daddy's Dream by only a length and a half. Moving up down on the inside is Conquistador. Last 75 meters, Big Daddy's Dream, Conquistador, Tigerwood, and finally it's Big Daddy's Dream, Conquistador. Then comes Tigerwood, Pink Lady, Safety's Gold.
1-5.
Pink Lady ang fourth.
8-6-7. This is ace.